The ATND1061 Beamforming Ceiling Array Microphone is an ideal solution for conference rooms, boardrooms, and meeting spaces large and small. The microphone may be used singly or in multiples for larger meeting spaces to capture every person speaking in a room with clear, natural audio that reduces distracting environmental sounds. The ATND1061 is easy to install, set up, and operate. Accessories provided with a microphone are surface and flush mount adapters, a flush mount cover, mounting screws and nuts, tile bridge assembly, installation template, a seismic cable, Euro block connectors, snap bushings, an IR remote control, and hole cover when only a single conduit is connected. The microphone includes features and accessories that enable it to be installed on a hard ceiling, open ceiling, or drop ceiling. The surface mount adapter is designed to mount the microphone on the surface of a hard or drop ceiling. Once mounted, the microphone can be lined up using the indicators on the mount and snapped into place. A zip tie is provided as secondary means of caution to lock the microphone into the surface mount adapter, similar to an access point. For open architecture installations, the microphone can be installed with any VESA mount using the MIS-D VESA standard hole pattern of 75mm by 75mm. The flush mount adapter is provided to recess the microphone in a hard or drop ceiling. Once the hole is cut, the flush mount adapter can be lifted into place and secured with 4 compression tabs. The tabs easily swing into place on material that is up to 1 inch thick. The 1/2 inch flange provides a secure fit in the ceiling. The flush mount adapter contains 2 3/4 inch knockouts for connectivity to conduit and snap bushings to prevent the cables from being damaged. The microphone and the flush mount adapter hardware meet UL 2043 requirements, allowing for installation in a plenum-rated ceiling. Observe local building codes for proper connections to the flush mount adapter based on the airspace above the ceiling. The included tile bridge may be used if the microphone is installed in a ceiling material that will not support the weight of the microphone and mount. Refer to the microphone's manual for detailed assembly instructions. The provided seismic cable attaches to the tile bridge or microphone and should be secured to a structural support above the microphone. The flush mount cover provides a finished look for recessed installations. To learn more about the ATND1061 Beamforming Ceiling Array Microphone and download installation guides and software, visit audiotechnica.com.